Welcome back to at KK Cyber. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of cybersecurity predictions. As technology advances, so do the threats we face. In this video, we'll explore 10 jaw-dropping cybersecurity forecasts backed by real-world examples and discuss practical countermeasures individuals and companies can take to avoid these potential risks. Prediction 1: AI-powered cyberattacks. Imagine a future where AI-driven cyberattacks are the norm. AI-powered bots could continuously learn and adapt, bypassing traditional security measures. A real-world example is the 2020 Emotet malware, which used AI to evade detection. Countermeasure: employ AI-based security solutions for threat detection, and regularly update cybersecurity measures to stay ahead of evolving threats. Prediction 2: quantum cryptography. Quantum computers could render current encryption methods obsolete. We might face a scenario where quantum computers break widely used encryption algorithms. IBM's Quantum Roadmap project hints at the progress of quantum computing. Countermeasure: invest in post-quantum cryptography and prepare for the eventual quantum threat by adopting quantum-resistant encryption methods. Prediction 3: Cybersecurity War Games. Governments and organizations may engage in large-scale cybersecurity war games, simulating real-world cyberattacks. The Cyber Flag exercise by the US Cyber Command is a real-world example of such training. Countermeasure: invest in cybersecurity training and participate in simulated exercises to enhance preparedness and incident response capabilities. Prediction 4: brain-computer interface vulnerabilities. As brain-computer interfaces become more common, the security of neural data becomes critical. Hackers could potentially access and manipulate our thoughts. Consider the recent research on hacking e-headsets. Countermeasure: ensure that brain-computer interfaces prioritize security and privacy. Implement robust encryption and authentication mechanisms. Prediction 5: autonomous hacking drones. Imagine autonomous drones equipped with hacking tools infiltrating networks. Such drones could exploit vulnerabilities in IoT devices. The 2019 demonstration of a drone exploiting a smart light bulb vulnerability offers a glimpse. Countermeasure: strengthen network security, regularly update IoT devices, and invest in drone detection and defense technologies. Prediction 6: cybersecurity legislation and digital bill of rights. Governments may enact comprehensive cybersecurity legislation and digital bill of rights to protect individuals' online rights. The GDPR in Europe exemplifies this approach. Countermeasure: stay informed about evolving regulations, ensure compliance, and prioritize data privacy and protection. Prediction 7: cybersecurity implants. Cybersecurity implants may emerge to enhance our resilience against digital threats. The Dangerous Things RFID/NFC chip implant is an early example. Countermeasure: implement strong access control and encryption for cybersecurity implants, and only work with reputable providers. Prediction 8: cybersecurity as a service CaaS. CaaS models could offer continuous cybersecurity protection through subscriptions. Examples include Norton 360 and McAfee. Countermeasure: invest in reputable CaaS solutions, conduct due diligence on providers, and ensure consistent updates and monitoring. Prediction 9: holographic cybersecurity interfaces. Visualizing complex threats through holographic interfaces could become a reality. Microsoft's HoloLens and Magic Leap offer glimpses into this technology. Countermeasure: embrace augmented reality for threat visualization and consider its applications in cybersecurity defense strategies. Prediction 10: biometric authentication challenges. While biometric authentication methods rise, they may face vulnerabilities. Samsung's Galaxy S10 fingerprint sensor faced security concerns as researchers bypassed it with 3D printed fingerprints. Countermeasure: implement multi-factor authentication. Regularly update biometric authentication systems, and consider behavioral biometrics for enhanced security. Conclusion: the future of cybersecurity is rife with both opportunities and challenges. By staying informed, adopting proactive measures, and investing in the latest security technologies, individuals and organizations can mitigate risks and protect their digital assets in this ever-evolving landscape. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.